Look, I'm sorry, Dad. I'll take care of it later.
Oh, what's the big rush?
I'm running late.
Ooh, I could drive you on my way to work.
No thanks. I need an exercise.
Oh, come on, Max.
Dad! Oh, Dad, you ruined it.
Sorry about that. Who was he anyway?
It's only Powerline, Dad, the biggest rock star on the planet.
Oh, a lot bigger than Xavier Cugat. Everybody mambo! Boom, 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 boom.
Come on, there's no time for this. Dad, what if the neighbors see us?
Emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
After the earthquake.
Washington Monument will be closed indefinitely following Tuesday's earthquake that shook a large portion of the East Coast. The National Park Service says engineers found cracks near the top of the monument, which is more than 550 feet tall.
We had some early reports that the Washington Monument had a few bricks or some mortar that may have come a little bit loose.
In the hours after the quake, the National Park Service closed down most monuments and memorials along the National Mall, but most have now reopened.
Right now we have no